How to nuke a server in Discord. So first things first is we'll be visiting a specific website that's going to be called SunOnBot. Simply use any working web browser in your end and simply type in SunOnBot Discord. Now just simply choose on the very first link that will redirect you from SunOnBot official website. From here, what you want to do is just choose on Add to Discord, and then you will be asked to log into your Discord account or via the Discord app. In here, make sure that you already familiarize what specific channel or server that you're trying to nuke so that you wouldn't be able to remove unnecessary or the not included servers you would like to be deleted. In here, what you want to do is just to continue on Discord and then open up your Discord client and then select the specific server where you would like that specific server to be nuked or deleted and hit on continue and then authorize. And once everything is sorted out, just simply complete this small captcha right here for you to be able to bypass this. And then you should be able to know once Sanon is live because it will be indicated right here. Now copy and paste this uh, template right here. So if you have time to simply pause the video and copy this template and paste it on Discord and then just simply hit on enter. Now hit on continue and those specific servers will be nuked or deleted once you hit on confirm. There you go. That is how you nuke a server in Discord.